Hey patrons, this is Johannes, and this is an update of my Reaper script that I call Focus. Focus is a pretty simple thing. It is you select a track in a project, probably a project where you have a lot of channels and it's really cluttered, but you just want to go into one specific item on a track and you want to edit that. Maybe you want to split it, or you want to work with an automation lane or something like that. And what this script does is that it hides everything else and just show you the selected track. And I did that with the last version of the script, and it worked really well. But there was some things that was annoying, because I put the script on my F key for focus. So when I hit focus, it worked really well. It ran the script, and I could work with the track that was in focus. But then I always hit F again to toggle it. I wanted to be able to end the script with the same button. But that just kind of, it didn't work. I had to go to mark the little graphic thing that the script show you in the screen when you run the script, and you have to hit end or escape when that little box was in focus. And I just wanted to toggle. How hard can it be? And it turns out that you need to add a lot of code and thinking to be able to toggle a script in Reaper. It's actually not a part of the API, but I found a way to fix that. So if you're working with Reaper scripts and you want to see how to do that, check the code in this with this, and you can rip it. It's cool. All right, let's stop talking about it and just show you the new version. So here's the idea. I have put the script on my F key. So no, I haven't actually. I haven't installed it. Let's show you how to install it. You do it like this. You go to Actions, Show Actions List. You get the little Actions list thing here. You click New Action, and you have downloaded the script already from Patreon. So you take Load Script, choose the Focus script. There we go. Now we assign a key to this, and I'm going to assign the F key. So F. All right. When I hit F, the focus script will load. So let's mark this track here. It's a child track, so it will behave a bit differently than if it's not. If it's a parent track, it will work differently. I'm going to talk about that soon. There you go. Now we have loaded the script. What you can do here is you can set it so it always shows 300 pixel height of that track, or I like to keep it at 150, which works well for me. So that's the basic thing, and when you end this, you go back to the normal view. All right. This was the way that the first version worked, but here's the issue. If I'm in one track here and I'm doing some splits and edits here, we're splitting this, maybe I'm adding an automation lane or whatever I'm doing, I'm editing in this. Now when I want to close this, I always hit the F key, and I got this thing. And if I terminate this, it won't show you, it will close the script, but it won't show you the rest of the tracks. It won't go back to where it were before you run the script. New instance would also crash the thing, and nothing really worked. And I was been thinking a lot about this and a way around this. So what I did is I wrote a function that when you run the script, it checks if a version of the script or an instance of the script is already running. And if it is running, then it will end that and restore the project to where it were, and it will also end the new version. So what you do when this comes up, when you run this second times, you click remember my answer for this script, and you click that it should allow a new instance of the script. Boom. All right. This way, now when we run the script, this is the first time I run it. I get the little dialog box for the script where I can do some settings. And if I hit the shortcut again, the script will run another instance, check if the script is running. If it's running, it will close that and bring back the project to where it were. So now you can toggle. All right. There's one issue though, and I fixed that as well. When you do this, if you have this little box in focus, then you want the project to be closed with the same shortcut as you use for running the script. And I put it on F, so but it's maybe you want it on R or escape or whatever. I don't know where you want it. So what you do is you click the little short thing and you can program your own little shortcut. So when this says F here, I can, let's put T or 5. So with this function, you can learn that this will end if you hit end, if you hit F, or if you hit escape, or if you close this box. All will end the script. When we have done all this, then there are hardly no situation where when you run the script again, or if you close it, the same thing will happen. I think I haven't tested it. I just finished the script, so I've just tested it briefly. But I think this will make it feels more like you're working with a function that's already in Reaper. So this is amazing. I also added a zoom feature. So let's say that we want to work with these 3 things that I marked here, because the issue is when I hit, sorry, I was on the wrong channel. There we go. When I hit focus, it will just focus to the track. Now we have Z items, that stands for zoom items or zoom select. So I hit zoom items and it will zoom to the selected items. That can be one item, so let's select that. Then it's just one item. And it can also be a selection. So now I zoom to the selection. So I can make a selection and zoom to that. Those are the new functions. So now you can toggle with just one button, and it's really cool. I'm proud. I'm really proud. This is cool. This will make me work even faster. I'm already fast, but now I will be crazy fast. Superman fast. So that's Focus 2.0, and go and get it. It's in the hub for Reaper scripts, and I hope you love it. And let me know if you have issues installing and making it work with the toggle thing. I understand that there are a couple of steps. I tried to explain that in the post, but it was a bit hard to explain all the steps you need to do to make it work. But that's it. Have a good evening, and I see you with the next thing I have the time to do. Bye bye.